gentle and low-noise aspiration with the comfortable ROEKO VacuSoft. The extra-soft interchangeable tips allow for a particularly gentle and quiet treatment. The blue sensitive comfort tip reduces the feeling of pressure in the mouth and is ideally suited for the treatment of children. It helps to alleviate anxiety in young patients.
And how did that feel?
Good.
The children were very excited to squeeze the tip, and it was very pleasant. The treatment was really much easier.
The different levels of hardness of the tips allow you to respond to the individual needs of the patient. The VacuSoft also performs particularly well in the treatment of the elderly. It can be used in narrow dental spaces or placed on the bone without causing pain to pressure-sensitive patients.
And how was the treatment today?
Today was great. Felt no pressure.
Perfect, I'm pleased. Over the past few weeks, I have tested the VacuSoft suction tip from the COLTENE company. We very much enjoyed working with it. It is super soft and very pleasant for sensitive mucosas. Also, in prophylaxis, my staff noticed that when working on their own, they can use it to provide a level of support, and as a result, prophylaxis simply works better because patients are very satisfied.
Gentle and quiet like a butterfly's touch. Aspiration with the ROEKO VacuSoft. Test the VacuSoft yourself and surprise your patients with a particularly gentle treatment.